Good morning, boys. Hello. So, as you can see, Jay, I have put a top on today. I haven't got my pyjamas on. Right. This is the most exciting quiz that you'll ever do, okay? Because it's all about natural history, which is the stuff that I absolutely love. And so, I'm going to ask you these questions. And then, as I said in the email, you need to respond to me in an email. You don't have to send me a video. Respond to me in an email the answers by the end of Tuesday the following week, okay? Don't fret over it, don't worry over it. It's not homework, it's supposed to be something that's fun. I'll mark them and we'll make a chart and see how people are doing, and when we get back to school there'll be a prize for the winner, and there'll be house points for everybody, all right? So it's just supposed to be something that keeps you going for the next few weeks until we can all be back at school together. Okay, so question number 1. According to the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, which is called the RSPB, what was the most common bird in people's gardens when the survey was taken in January of this year? It's easy to find out. You just look up the RSPB, Big Garden Bird Watch, and it will tell you all about it. Okay, question 2. This is a trick question. What colour is a female blackbird? All right. And question 3, and what colour is her beak? All right. And question 4, now you may have seen some of these on your lovely walks out if you've been out walking, or you may have a few in your garden. What is the name of the beautiful blue flowers that we see in woods at this time of year? So they flower in the spring. What is the name of these flowers? Okay. They're beautiful blue and they smell lovely and the bees love them. Okay. Question 5. This is a special one really because Isaac will know this answer straight away. What are frogs' eggs called? Frogs' eggs, not frogs' legs, but frogs' eggs. What are they called? All right. And you'll see them in ponds around about this time of year. Maybe a little bit earlier than this. Question 6. Now, I don't like these, but I know that they are amazing and some people do like them. How many legs does a spider have? All right, how many legs does a spider have? Question 7. Now, I've got 2 of these that keep coming in my garden and eating all the bird food. Squirrels. What is a squirrel's nest called? So they build themselves a nest in trees, or in a hole in a tree, or in a clump of branches. They'll build themselves a nest of leaves and little twigs, and then they'll line it with moss maybe, or fur. Maybe they might find some sheep's wool if they're out in a field, near a field, or they might take your dog hair if you put your dog hair outside when you've brushed it, and they make this lovely cozy nest, and it's got a special name. Okay. And question 8, which is the last question for this week, is where do cuckoos, the bird, the cuckoo, where do they spend the winter? So they come here to this country in April and they stay till about the end of June. They don't stay very long, they just stay for a very short time, and then they fly back to somewhere for the rest of the summer, the autumn and the winter. And where is that place? It's not an exact town, it's an area. Okay, where is that place? And next week we'll talk a little bit more about what is very special about cuckoos and what they do, which is why people sometimes don't like them, but they all love to listen out for the first cuckoo of spring. So I hope you don't find these too boring, and I will email you. Oh, did you hear that? That was my email. Somebody's just sent me a text message, Anyway, so I'll get this to you, provided I can work out how to do it, and then we'll talk again next week. Okay then, bye-bye. Oh, and good luck.